An array of downbeat PMIs from the eurozone revived fears about the outlook for the global economy. Such concerns boosted demand for the US dollar as a safe haven asset. The euro opened a new trading week on the pessimistic note in light of weak flash PMIs from the eurozone, Germany and France. Today, traders took notice of a speech by Mario Draghi at the European Parliament. Investors are discouraged by the fact that Germany's manufacturing PMI plunged unexpectedly to 41.1 in August, the worst reading since 2012, from 43.5 in July. The consensus suggested a gain to 44 points. Business activity in France's factory sector declined to 50.3 from 51.1 earlier. The composite PMI for the whole euro area slipped to 50.4. In response to such dismal data, the euro shed 0.31% versus the US dollar and settled down at 1.0983. The dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair is still struggling to overcome a 20-day simple moving average. The pair retraced 20 to 25 pips from an intraday high reached in the European trade. On Monday, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair attracted buyers amid buoyant demand for the US dollar and falling oil prices. Today, crude oil is trading lower following the news that Saudi Arabia will restore its oil output in full by next week. Such information puts pressure on the Canadian dollar, so bulls failed to sustain the uptrend. As a result, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair could not surpass the psychological level of 1.3300, though the downside is also capped. Traders are anticipating speeches by President of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, John Williams, and his counterpart from St. Louis, James Bullard. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.